call it? Don't blame him for anything. What kind of a man is he? He's too self-centered.
You're taking this too far.
How am I taking it too far? You were there, you heard everything. You saw everything. What kind of a man is he? He doesn't love me, he doesn't care about me, he doesn't feel anything for me.
Lucy, you know I actually blame you for all this.
No, go ahead and blame me. Go ahead and blame me. I didn't ask him to leave, did I? Excuse me.
Why has she become so arrogant? My prince! Oh, okay, fine. Lucy! Fine.
This love will go by heart, not by face. This love will go by heart.
I'm tired. I need another friend.
Can you imagine? Your father was very happy when I told him about it.
But please don't start. You're making me feel shy.
You know why? Why are you shy? No need for that. He's your father.
You should have informed me first. Yes.
Don't start with this, your trouble this morning. Like father, like daughter. By the way, where is your brother?
He came back a few minutes ago, looking very sad.
Why?
I don't know.
And you don't know where he came from?
No, I have no idea.
So where is he?
In his room. Get me some oranges. Share my crown, please.
What is the matter, son?
No, please say something. What is it?
I'm sick and tired of that girl.
Which girl are you talking about?
Lucy. That girl gave me the highest embarrassment of my life before her friend. What insolence!
Right. Calm down. Tell me what happened.
I've had enough. She can't be my wife. I'm going straight to my father to tell him to cancel whatever agreement he had with her father. That lunatic girl can never be my wife.
No. Don't even talk about it. Don't let your father hear this because...
As if I care? As if I care?
No, please.
Please what? Look, let no one preach to me because I will not listen. I am done with her and that's final.
Ah! Stop it! Do you want to endanger the relationship your father has with
I don't care!
You should care!
Look, I want to be left alone. Please!
Are you throwing me out of your room? Alright. Your father will hear this immediately. I will be the one that will gossip this to your father.
You should join her.
This love will go by heart, not by face. This love will go by heart.
What
exactly are you trying to say?
I will make you everything.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Of course I do. I love you and you know it, Odinaka.
Promise me that you'll not disappoint me.
Why are you sounding this way? Okay, fine, if that is what you want to hear. I will not disappoint you.
Why are you good afternoon me? Please, hold your greetings. Yo, Machu, what are you doing with this thing?
Uncle, who is a thing?
Are you asking me? What are you doing with him? What are you doing with him?
Uncle, please. Point of correction. I'm not with him.
If you open this thing in front of me, you call it whatever, and speak again, I will break you, Mama. You see every bone in you with my bare hands. And you, Machu, I am going to report you to your mother. Oh, Makechi, I will not come out. Oh, Mampatapa Makechi, I am going to tell your mother. I'm Mampatapa Makechi.
Are you afraid of this threat?
No, but I will see you later, please.
This is my problem. This is the problem. Just point everything for me.
This love will go by heart, not by face. This love will go by heart. Papa be gone kiri. Obi sari sari. Oyo be adiaja.
Sister, where is your daughter? Where is she?
What is this? All the time, where is your daughter? What is this?
Sister Ajurumbo, just simple question. Where is your daughter? Where is she?
She went out.
I like me people look at her. I just love what you said. She went out. But let me warn you. If your daughter gets pregnant or female, I will not come out. Mampata, I'm telling you.
What's the meaning of that statement?
The meaning is, Obata, when she comes in, ask her whom I saw her with this afternoon. Okwamaka, a female. You will be calling me, I will not come out. Oh, I will not. Mampata, makachubu, mampata. Ekusigu, Okwakora.
What kind of thing is this? Eh? Who's all Jarapono? Eh? Leave me. Madam, I beg this.
When I got to the man's house, I met his wife. So she told me to wait for the husband.
You had to wait. And who were you with this afternoon on the road? What is wrong with you? Emma Sinachi, how many times have I warned you to stop seeing that boy? Eh?
Mama, Odinaka is a nice person. I know Uncle must have told you he saw me with him.
Shut up! Shut up! Have you delivered my message, Kichianata?
Yes. Delivered it.
Masinachi, stay away from men. Anahama Wagi, stay away from men. They will ruin your life.
Odinaka is a good person. I know what I'm saying. He's a good man.
I know what I'm saying too. Be careful. All that glitters is not gold. Be careful. Be careful, oh. Be careful.
Not by face, this love will go by heart.
Adam.
Oh, you're the oh, be sorry, sorry. Oh, you will have it, not do. Be understanding. Never lose yourself. Be kind, be loved.
Come in.
Are you busy?
Not really. Is there anything the matter?
Yes, I want to talk to you.
Okay, let me see.
Brother, I want to talk to you concerning the issue between you and Lucy.
I don't want to talk about it.
Please. She called me and complained that you've been rejecting her calls.
Why is she calling me? No, you tell me, why is she calling me? Kindly tell her to let me be, okay?
Udo, you're taking this too far. And you know father will not be happy about it.
As if I care? Huh? As if I care? I meant it when I said it's over between us, okay? I'm no longer interested in the relationship. Is it hard? Oh, she's still calling me. She's wasting her time. Kindly tell her to let me be. I'm no longer interested. I'm not joking. I am not joking, Zara. I am no longer interested.
Please, Udo, calm down. She has realized her mistakes and she's sorry.
Oh, Lucy.
Yes.
Lucy realized her mistakes. Is she ever remorseful? Zara, I will advise you take yourself out of this. I know Lucy more than you do. Please. Don't make it look like you're asking me for a favor and I don't want to do it.
That's exactly what you're doing.
Exactly what I'm telling you. She's never remorseful. I know her too well. Please. Please.
I don't like this, so I cannot even talk to you anymore.
Can you just let this be? I can never let myself down before her. Because she thinks she's a second degree holder. What nonsense. Please, kindly stay out of this. Please. I won't listen to you.
For real?
Yes.
You won't listen to me. Fine. So I cannot talk to you again. I cannot ask you to do something for me and you will do it.
Nonsense.
She's a
Stop calling my line.
Have you seen it? He has refused to pick my calls. Has even rejected my calls. For what?
Lucy, you need to take things easy. You should know he's still angry with you.
Like, seriously? I'm the one who is supposed to be angry, not the other way around.
Well, I advise you go pay him a visit. This shouldn't be a phone conversation. See him face to face and talk things out with him.
I will never condescend so low to do that. Who is he, by the way? I'm only doing this because of my father.
Stop. Don't say that.
I will say it 1,000,000 times. Everybody knows that Udona is not in my level. What can he offer me? That his father is the king of this land doesn't mean anything to me.
Lucy, withdraw your statement. I don't like it.
I don't care if you like it. You have no choice. You might think I'm arrogant, but I don't care.
What is cutting over her? I mean, what is wrong with Lucy?
This love will go by heart, not by face.
Mother, Lucy's father is here.
Did he come with his daughter?
No. Mother, please. Did you tell father about Lucy's quarrel with Udo?
I decided not to.
I think that's the reason the father is here.
Oh, yes. Your father will be mad at me if that's the reason Lucy's father is here.
It's Udona's fault. It's his fault. Had it been he picked Lucy's call, her father wouldn't have been here.
Where is your brother?
He went out.
He's not in his room.
Not at all, Mother. He's not there.
I need you to go find out why Lucy's father is here.
Okay, Mother. I'll do that.
Lucy.
Why would this boy? Why would he don't want to jeopardize the relationship between my family and these people?
Lucy. She's a drug addict. She's a drug addict.
It's been long I visited Aminu community. I just need to get there so I'll have peace of mind. It's been long I felt that way. Why is Lucy calling me? Why are you calling me? Just let me be. Stop calling me! Stop calling me! I said stop! Jesus! Hey, you okay? Oh, my God. Sorry.
Sister. Where is your daughter? Where is she?
Why are you always asking after my daughter's whereabouts? What has she done this time?
This is not the time for question and answer. Okay, let me tell you. I just got a call now. Somebody called me and told me that your daughter is in the hospital. She's in the hospital now.
In the hospital?
Yes.
Can I beg you?
Listen, I don't know. Operate Dikeh this attitude now.
No, what is she doing in the hospital?
Sister, pack these things now. Take, pack them. Let us go. Let's go to the hospital. When we get there, then we will find out. I don't know.
Hey,
take. Back.
Take a hospital.
But don't kind of back. In fact, as you are going, bring money.
Money for them?
For bill, you know. Why are you going to the bill?
Bill for what?
The hospital bill. Am I the one to pay the hospital bill?
What is going on? No. Get out the head here. Eh?
I think the caller is calling again. Hello. You know, that time you did tell. So, how is she now? How is she?
No.
No, the mother is here now. The mother is here.
Phone. Hey, hello. Hello.
Let us be fast now. Let's go now.
Hospital. Why is he not returned yet?
Well, I've been calling him, but he's not picking his calls.
Inform him as soon as he's back that his father wants to see him.
Are you sure he's going to accept the arrangement?
Oh, he has no option.
I'm scared he may not. We need to reconcile him with Lucy first.
I'm even surprised, honestly, that Lucy did not tell her father about the issues she has with my son.
Mother, that is because her father will be against her.
In that case, I need to see him. That would be better. Yes, that would be better. All right. Let me know once he's back.
Okay, I will.
Good evening. Odinaka, at least answer my greeting.
What is it? Why can't you let me be in this village?
Why are you shouting now? Why are you raising your voice?
How many times have I warned you to leave me alone in this village, but you will never listen?
Odinaka, what have I done wrong to you? What did I ever do to you? Why do you hate me so much? Why do you detest me? Why? Why do you hate me? What is wrong with this guy? What does he even see in her that makes him treat me the way he does? Masinachi, you will surely pay for making me go through this emotional stress. I pray you never survive, whatever you do.
Never lose yourself. Be kind, be loved. I cannot be God.
Ogona, what is it? No, please talk to us. What is it?
I'm not fine.
What happened?
I knocked some girl down on my way to Romania to visit Obina.
Did the person die? Not talk.
No, but she was still unconscious at the time I left the hospital.
Was she seriously wounded?
I can't really tell. But the doctor said something about dislocation.
Did you see anybody? As in her relatives? Did you see anybody?
Yes, it's her mother and her uncle later showed up. Her mother nearly tore me to pieces. If not the intervention of the doctor and the nurses, I had to sneak out because I was scared the girl might die. I even left my car there and came back in a taxi.
You left your car in the hospital?
Yeah, because I was scared. And now I'm regretting why I ran away. I should have stayed back. I have to return there tomorrow morning.
No. See. My advice for you as your mother, do not go back there again. Please.
Why, Mother? Do you want me to run away after what I did to the poor girl?
Udona, Mother is right. Udona, you might walk into a trap. Please don't go. Don't go there. Because...
but...
Lucy. Oh, Lucy.
Dad? Can I have a word with you?
Sure, sit.
All right. What's the matter? Dad, this will be the last time I'll complain to you about Udona.
What has he done?
He has been avoiding me. He has been ignoring my calls. I mean, what kind of a relationship is that? The truth is that I'm beginning to get fed up with this whole thing.
It is not right to judge someone when you have not heard from them.
This is not the first time. This is not the second time, neither the third time. I'm not a fool.
You are not a fool. But the truth is that we need to know why he has not picked your call.
It's very simple. He doesn't love me. He doesn't care about me. He doesn't care about my feelings. Is that the kind of man who wants me to call my husband?
Careful. Take it easy. You are talking about the prince of our land.
It doesn't matter. I'm sorry, Daddy. I've endured enough embarrassment already from him. I mustn't get married to him. There are other better men I can get married to.
Okay, my daughter. I have heard your grievances. I'll take it up with you when I visit the palace next time.
Father, I'm not begging him to marry me. With the level of my education, I will not let him belittle me for nothing. It's better we call this whole thing off because I'm tired. I'm pissed off already.
Lucy, come back. Relax. Just like I said, I'll speak. But please, this don't make them anywhere else. Please, for me, Udona is your perfect person.
Did you check in his room, Pharaoh? Yes, I did, Mother, but he's not there.
What in God's name have I done to this boy? Eh? Could it be he has gone back to that hospital?
Yes, you're right. I think so, Mother. He's there.
Go now. He's getting on my nerves in this house. Does it mean my child cannot listen to my advice?
Mother, please. Relax, okay? Just take it easy. See what's going to happen. Let's call him on phone and find out what's going on. Okay?
This love will go by heart, not by face, yeah.
No, Mother, it can't be now. Maybe it's bad network or something. Try. Keep trying. Is it ringing? Hey! This means one thing. All is not well, Mother.
I want him around it. I want him. Who knows? He might have walked into a trap.
Hey!
Oh yes. Who knows? Please.
Mother, what are we going to do?
My problem is we don't even know the name of the hospital. I do not want your father to hear about this.
I will not tell him.
This love I got blind. I feel
How I wish I could leave the hospital at my house. I would have gone there to visit her. And now, no one to ask about her whereabouts. And her mother, she's there with her in the hospital. Let nothing happen to us. Thank God. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, don't be angry. How is the Masinachi?
Is that why you stopped me?
I am only trying to know how she is.
You are trying to know how Masinachibu is as unto her husband, her brother, her relation, or who are you to her that you are trying to know how she is? Listen, I don't know what they call you. I have told you, leave Masinachibu alone. Leave her alone. I do not want to see these two sticks in my house again. I do not want to see these two sticks, these two tiny toothpick sticks in my house again.
But I mean no harm. I'm only trying to know her whereabouts.
You don't know you have caused enough harm? You don't know that you have caused, you don't know how much harm you have caused already?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Let me tell you, leave my sister's daughter alone. Leave her alone. Don't go near her again. If you want to continue with these toothpicks looking like something I don't know, you call legs, don't go near her again.
I am sorry.
This love will go by heart, not by face. This love will go by heart.
Father has not serious father. I cannot tolerate Billionaire's insult.
So, are you saying you do not have an idea why Billionaire has been avoiding you lately?
What kind of question is that?
I don't know, just asking.
Well, the young man has been taking me for granted. It's second degree holder like me. It's not because of him that I came back to this village.
Lucy, he asks, I think you're the person.
How?
Lucy, you are becoming too proud of yourself lately, and that is affecting your relationship with Udoma.
You're getting me angry at this moment.
I don't mean to get you angry, but the truth must be told.
Now get out of my house. I said get out of my house before I lose it.
Are you asking me to leave?
Get, come
or get out of my house. Get out! Leave my house!
Fine, I will leave. But think about it, Lucy. You have a good one.
Get out! Leave my house! What rubbish!
Think about it.
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict.
This idiot telling me that I'm too proud of myself. I don't blame you. If you don't know that I will blame for bringing such embarrassment to me.
She's a drug addict.
Are you alright?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Come on. The expression on your face shows that all is not well. For the past 4 days now, you've been like this. Why do I have this feeling that you're hiding something from us?
Something like what?
I don't know. But you've been silent over the issue of the girl you said you knocked down with your car.
Is that why you came?
Father wants to see you. If you like, you can stay here. If you like, you can stay
But seriously, Zara, come to think of it, your brother is becoming too stubborn.
How do you mean?
He didn't want to hug me when my father said we should hug each other, even when I made the move first. It took him time to respond.
Lucy, come on. It's nothing. The important thing is that both of you have reconciled. That is it.
Zara, okay. How long do you think these good times will last?
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Your brother started showing off attitude few minutes after our reconciliation. I don't want to talk before he calls me a nag.
Lucy, what exactly did my brother do?
I don't want to say anything because if I say anything now, it will look like I talk too much. Your brother is something I can't even explain. Please, just help me tell him. Tell him to be careful the way he treats me. Because next time, I won't give him another chance. I'm a hot chick. Everybody wants to be with me. So he should be careful not to mess with the wrong person. I know my level of education. Your brother should count himself lucky to have someone like me. I have 1,001 men flocking around me, asking me to marry them. But I just want to be with your brother. So he should be careful so that he will not mess up with the wrong person. I'm just trying to say my mind so that it will not look like Lucy is complaining. I'm not complaining. Come on, darling, let's. I'm just trying to say my mind. Come on. I'm just trying to say my mind. I'm just trying to say my mind. I hope you understand me.
tell me to stop?
Why won't I tell you to stop? You were not talking to me. Was it even necessary riding with you?
What?
What do you mean by what? I know you don't love me. Why can't you be man enough and voice it out instead of this whole pretense?
Listen, I don't know why you derive so much joy in being troublesome.
I know. You will tell me that I'm troublesome because I'm showing you that I love you. I'm not like you that pretends not to love me.
What the hell are you saying?
What am I not saying? What am I not saying? Voice it out. Say it to me. Say it to Lucy.
Lucy, what are you saying? After you will still be the one to complain. Why did you tell me to stop?
Why won't I complain? We were in the car. You were not talking to me and you expect me not to complain. See, listen. I will complain until you change this your bad character. You have bad character. Change it. You know what? I won't ride with you again. I will go and look for cab. Nonsense.
Lucy.
What am I even doing here?
Lucy. Lucy.
Please don't call me.
Lucy.
What kind of nonsense is that?
Lucy.
I know my level of education. Your brother should count himself lucky to have someone like me. I have 1,001 men flocking around me, asking me to marry them. But I just want to be with your brother. So he should be careful so that he will not mess up with the wrong person. I'm just trying to say my mind so that I do not look like Lucy is complaining. I'm not complaining.
Who does she think she is? She's too proud of herself. Such comment is an insult to my family. Now I see why my brother keeps having problems with her.
There you are. Where are they?
Who?
Your brother and his fiancée, of course. And why is your face like that?
Brother, they have left.
Really? I am excited. Honestly. With the level of wisdom my husband exhibited today in settling their differences. I'm excited. I can't wait for their traditional marriage. Your mother here, sweet sister, very soon will become a grandmother. Negu. Now what is it?
Nothing.
Why are you not happy, ne? Go! I will not let your sadness spoil my happy mood. Grandmother in the making. First grandchild for a start.
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's hot-tempered. Very risky.
I know this.
Very risky. She's a drug addict.
You're sleeping here. It's not safe.
Sorry, who are you?
You don't remember me?
No.
My name is Masinachi.
Oh. Masinachi. Yeah, of course. Where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere. Where have you been? I've been searching everywhere for you.
Don't worry about me. Like I said, you have to leave this place. It's not safe.
I know, but... Masinachi. Masinachi. Ma.
Grace, this one you are smiling like this. What happened?
I told you yesterday, but you did not believe me.
What is it?
I told you that a date for Prince Donald's traditional marriage has been fixed. It should be on 24th of this month. Barely 3 weeks from now.
How do you know it's true?
I heard the princess discussing with the queen just now.
Are you sure the princess can marry that arrogant person? She's so proud of herself because she thinks her father is one of the richest men in this village.
The prince has no choice. Both families have endorsed it.
It is true. You never can tell. But I hate that girl with passion. Kill. We will be in trouble if that girl enters this family. Because she will use us as rags.
I will not allow that. I would rather quit Ada. So please, I'm going back to my duty. I'll tell you another one later.
Grace. The information minister.
Whatever.
Let's go, let me confirm my work job.
Masinachi. That's the name. Masinachi. You said that right. What is this? Oh, nothing. Nothing, mother. Who is it, Masinachi? Oh, you heard that? Well, I was just trying to figure out something, and then came. Excuse me, mother.
Masinachi. I haven't heard such a name. By the way, where is he even rushing out to?
This love I got to play. I put a feel.
Excuse us, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Mother.
Is there any problem?
Who is
I've not heard that name before. Your brother woke up this morning and was very worried. I came out, saw him passing around in the parlor, only for him to shout. Yes, Masinachi. That's the name. Just like that. Just like that. Please, where's my brother? I saw him driving out. Probably he has gone to see the Masinachi of the girl. Mother, this is strange. Very strange. Could that be? That's what we're going to find out.
Yes. Masinachi is her name. Do you know anyone that bears such name in this village?
Masinachi? I don't know anybody that bears such name. Who is she?
The same girl I told you now. The girl I knocked down on my way to this village.
This is really funny. The same girl you knocked down on your way to this village.
Exactly.
So, how do you know her name?
This is funny. She came to me in my dream.
Oh my God. No, sorry that I'm laughing, sorry. But seriously.
No, but it's true now.
No, she came to you in your dream.
Exactly.
And you already know her name. Okay, fine. Let me ask you, why are you so anxious to see her?
Because I want to apologize for what I did. I told you I ran away from the hospital. I want to see her apologize and make up for my wrong.
Okay, fine. Are you sure this girl is from Armenia?
Yes, I'm very sure she's from Armenia.
Well, if you say so, I'll look around, I'll make inquiries and get back to you.
That's what I want, please do.
So how are you preparing for your traditional marriage?
The truth is that I've got so many things on my mind, so I have to ease off if I start thinking of the marriage. For now, the only thing on my mind is how to find that girl.
Okay, if you say so.
You see, I keep asking myself, why did I run away in the first place? Eh? Do you know I went back to see her? The doctor refused to talk to me. He even chased me away.
Oh, Dunda, you really amaze me with this matter. Seriously, you really amaze me with it.
Please just help me. Just ask her. She's fair, very fair, even more than I do. I'm a bit slim. Please. Masinachi.
Alright, no problem.
Biko.
No problem.
Very important to me, please.
I'll show you. I'll make inquiries and get back to you.
What a small
Colleague, take your drink now.
I told you I don't want to drink anything. Tell me why you've called me so I can go.
Are you still angry with me?
If you're in my shoes, won't you be angry?
Or is it because I chose to answer you?
I know. I'm sorry about it. I know I overreacted. But that doesn't mean I have anything against you. I'm sorry.
Tell me why you've called me.
Okay, tell me you forgive me. Please.
You have to beg me properly.
I'm sorry, my dear friend. I'm sorry, my darling friend. Sorry, please forgive me.
It's fine. It's okay. I'm forgiving you.
You're forgiving me? Okay, drink up. I'll believe you. Yes. Yes.
Satisfied?
Yes.
So tell me why you've called me.
Guess what?
What?
I have good news.
Oh my god, good news! Okay, tell me.
My traditional marriage is on the 24th of this month.
Oh my god! With who?
Who else? I've reconciled with him.
Oh my god, I'm so happy! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Right to me.
You can say that again. Wow. You know, I can't wait to get married so that I will be flaunting my ring.
Oh my god, this calls for celebration, you know. Oh,
Cheers.
girl, you need to buy Hennessy, please.
Oh, I have everything inside. Just drink up.
Oh, I'm so super happy.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know what I have done to Uncle in this house. I don't know what I've done to him.
What happened?
I don't like the way he spoke to me this afternoon. The next time he talks to me like that, I will be forced to talk back at him. Besides, there is this comment he made and I am yet to understand the comment.
What comment?
That I am lazy. And laziness is not in their family. That he doesn't know the kind of man that met you.
He said that.
Oh yes, he did, and I heard him loud and clear.
What is wrong with him? What's not now? Eh? Why would an elder like him say such a thing to you? Don't worry, he will come and meet me here. Let him come, I'll be waiting for him.
Mama, what does he even mean by that?
Just don't mind him. That's the way he will be vomiting rubbish. Let him come. I'm waiting.
Anyway, I have said my own. The next time he talks to me in that manner, I will talk back at him and damn the consequences. I am bad-mouthed. He should be aware.
Hey. This is strange. He really offended you. Let him come back.